How to copy a product link on Amazon shopping app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy the link of any product you want on Amazon in less than 1 minute. So first thing, go to Amazon and choose the product that you want to copy the link of. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Click on it. Now as you can see, after you choose the product that you want, now all what you have to do is simple. Go right here, as you can see, click on this little icon here. After you click on it, now all what you have to do is swipe like this until you find the copy to clipboard option. Click on it. Now the link of this product is copied successfully. It's so easy, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.